ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a speaking practice using daily routine. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I packed my bag.
I packed my bag.
I wear my uniform.
I wear my uniform.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I greet my teacher.
I greet my teacher.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher.
I color the picture.
I color the picture.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I eat my lunch.
I eat my lunch.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I line up for recess.
I line up for recess.
I sing a song.
I sing a song.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I pack my lunchbox.
I pack my lunchbox.
I clean my desk.
I clean my desk.
I put away my toys.
I put away my toys.
I say goodbye to my friends.
I say goodbye to my friends.
I walk home from school.
I walk home from school.
I tell my mom about my day.
I tell my mom about my day.
I go to bed early.
I go to bed early.
Thanks for listening.